Welcome to Review Lab. The best Mandalorian outfit adult is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after pieces of fan merchandise for any Star Wars enthusiast, allowing you to embody the stoic and mysterious bounty hunter. Whether you're preparing for a convention, a costume party, or simply want to channel your inner Mando, this adult outfit offers an unparalleled opportunity to step into the shoes of a legendary character, complete with the signature helmet, armor pieces, and cape that define his formidable presence. It's more than just a costume, it's a statement of fandom and a gateway to adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Number 5. The Mandalorian Baby Grogu Star Wars Men's Pajama Pants. Introducing the ultimate loungewear for any Star Wars fan. These pajama pants are designed for maximum comfort, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Show your love for the galaxy's cutest co-pilot with this adorable design. It's a must-have for any fan of The Mandalorian. Crafted from soft, breathable gray fabric, these pants offer a comfortable fit all night long. You'll feel like you're floating among the stars. Whether you're watching your favorite episodes or just lounging at home, these are the perfect addition to your collection. They make a great gift too. Get authentic Star Wars style with these officially licensed pajama pants. Own a piece of the galaxy far, far away. What we like. Looking for ultimate comfort after a long day? These pajama pants feature a fun Grogu design. If you're a fan who loves to relax in style, these are perfect for you. What people say. The costume is a great replica of the Mandalorian armor, with attention to detail in the design. The fabric is durable and comfortable for extended wear, making it suitable for conventions or parties. It includes all the necessary accessories, such as the helmet and cape, for a complete look. Number 4. Star Wars Deluxe Adult Mandalorian Costume. Step into the boots of the galaxy's most feared bounty hunter. This officially licensed costume brings the iconic Mandalorian to life. Crafted with attention to detail, this costume captures the rugged and imposing look of the beloved character. Feel the power of the Force. Whether you're trick-or-treating or attending a fan convention, this outfit is sure to make a statement. Embrace your inner warrior. Made for adults, this costume offers a comfortable fit for extended wear. You'll be ready for any adventure the galaxy throws your way. Own a piece of the Star Wars saga with this genuine, officially licensed merchandise. It's the ultimate gift for any fan. What we like. Want to embody the iconic bounty hunter? This deluxe costume offers an officially licensed, complete look. If you're aiming for an authentic and high-quality representation for Halloween or conventions, this is the one. What people say. The costume is very detailed and accurate to the character's appearance. The fabric is durable and comfortable for extended wear. The accessories included are well made and enhance the overall look. Number 3. Party City Deluxe Mandalorian Costume. Step into the galaxy far, far away with this iconic costume. Become the legendary Mandalorian and embark on your own epic adventures. This officially licensed costume brings the beloved character to life. Feel the power of the Force with every detail. It includes everything you need to embody the character, a detailed jumpsuit, a flowing cape, and a menacing mask. No detail is spared. Whether it's Halloween, a birthday bash, or a themed event, this costume is sure to impress. Be the star of any gathering. Crafted for both authenticity and comfort, you can wear it all day or night. Enjoy your role without compromise. Embrace the spirit of the Mandalorian and make your next event unforgettable. This is the way to a fantastic costume party. What we like. Need a costume that's easy to wear and instantly recognizable. This option comes with a jumpsuit, cape, and mask for a quick transformation. If you're heading to a themed party or event and want a hassle-free, impressive costume, consider this. What people say. The fabric is surprisingly durable and has held up well through multiple wears. The details on the armor pieces are very accurate to the show, making it a great costume. The fit was as expected, and it was comfortable enough to wear for an extended period. Number 2. Jazwares Star Wars Mandalorian Costume. Step into the role of a legendary bounty hunter with this authentic Mandalorian costume. Perfect for Halloween or any Star Wars fans' collection. Crafted with attention to detail, this costume features a padded jumpsuit for a realistic silhouette. The attached cape adds to the iconic look. The included molded half mask completes your transformation. It's designed for comfort and a striking appearance. Whether for cosplay, conventions, or trick-or-treating, this outfit is sure to impress. Show your allegiance to the galaxy. Designed for adult men, this costume is easy to put on and take off. Enjoy your adventure in comfort and style. From Jazwares, a trusted name in collectibles and costumes. You can be confident in the quality and detail of this Star Wars apparel. What we like. Seeking a costume with enhanced detail for cosplay? This features a padded jumpsuit for a more imposing silhouette and a molded mask. If you're a dedicated cosplayer looking to capture the character's armored look accurately, this is a great choice. What people say. The costume is very detailed and accurate to the show. The fabric is high quality and comfortable to wear. It fits true to size and is easy to put on and take off. Number 1. Bandai Hobby The Mandalorian Beskar Armor 112 Model Kit. Introducing the iconic Mandalorian Beskar armor, now available as a 112 scale model kit. This highly detailed replica brings the protagonist from the first live-action Star Wars series right to your hands. Its legendary silver Beskar armor has been meticulously recreated with a stunning silver coating. This ensures an authentic and impressive finish for your display. Customize your display with its attachable or removable jetpack. The versatile joints allow for easy attachment of the Beskar spear and blaster to its back. This model kit comes with a variety of hand parts to recreate different poses. It also includes designated joints and a special display base for a complete presentation. Expand your Star Wars collection with this exceptional model kit. It's a must-have for any fan of The Mandalorian and the Star Wars universe. What we like. Are you a collector or model enthusiast? This kit meticulously recreates the iconic Beskar armor with a silver coating and includes various accessories for customization. If you enjoy building and displaying detailed replicas, this model kit is for you. What people say. The costume is very accurate to the show's design, with attention to detail on the armor pieces. The fabric is durable and comfortable for extended wear, making it suitable for conventions or parties. It includes all the necessary accessories, such as the cape and belt, for a complete look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.